Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Me classes. So in this video we'll be discussing how to add multiple labels to your point shape file and how to differentiate the multiple labels with different colors. Because if you are adding multiple labels, then if the color is different, then the visualization will be good and the identification of the label can also be visualized, or it can be identified very clearly. So for that we have to add a shapefile first, a polygonal shapefile. So in this video I am going to say one thing. So whenever you are using this India admin file, this India admin file from Diva.js, and you are clipping out one of your study area. So whenever you do this selection, go to create layer from selected feature, immediately do one thing, immediately export this data rather than using it in the same RGS platform or in the same on this layout. Better to export it, and open a new RGS and import this save file and do on your later work. So first of all, what we will do, we will export our study area. We'll export our study area to D drive. You can add it as a layer, no problem. Then immediately click on a new blank map, save no. So but next what to do, just refresh it and you can add your study area and start your work So now we have our polygonal shapefile. So now we'll be adding our point shapefile within this polygonal shapefile. So let's see what is there in the attribute table. In the attribute table we have latitude and longitude. So for each point we have a latitude value and a longitude value. Then the FID, shape ID, these all things are not required, but you can show, if I want to show the ID and what is the corresponding latitude and what is the corresponding longitude. So for that what I have to do, go to study area points, go to properties. In properties we have to go to labels. Okay, so initially what will happen, if you select label features in this layer, so when you will select latitude and click on apply, it will show only single latitude. So if you click on longitude and click on apply, then it will show only the longitude. But though we want multiple labels, though we want to show multiple labels in some scenarios, so for that what you have to do, you have to use this command expression. You have to use this command expression. Then initially generally what happens, we show the latitude first, then longitude. So first of all what you will do, you will double click this, it will come latitude, then give a plus symbol, then give a double quote, within the double quote give a space, then again a place symbol and some space. Another, we can also give some more space also, if required we can give some more space also. So now if you write the expression like this, latitude space then longitude, then you can verify it here that it will look like this. If you generally after writing this expression use this verify command, otherwise again when you will click up it may show some error. So once you are verified that my visualization is good, then you can select OK, then apply. Now you see your lat long labels are visible here. Lat long labels are visible here. But we can also show our point ID. We can also show point ID. For that what we have to do, we'll select ID, then plus double quote space verify P1 and okay, apply, okay. So this is how our labels will look. Okay, we can increase the size of our font so that it will be clearly visible. We can change the color. See, P3, the latitude is 15.0938 and the longitude is 77.957. You can increase the size of the shape file or the point shape files, so it will be visible like this. Okay, but all the three are coming in a singular color, all the three are coming in a similar color. So we want to differentiate, our ID, we want to differentiate our latitude, and we want to differentiate our longitude. So for that what we have to do, again we have to go to properties. There we have to do some changes again in the expression, means we have to add some color, values, means 0 to 255. Within 0 to 255 we have to give some number, then some colors will be assigned to each of the field. So here some expression needs to be written. the expression I will share it with you. Just you have to replace your field. Just you have to replace your field with this expression and verify, then you will get the result. Now we need to differentiate it, that which one is latitude and which one is longitude and which one is the point ID by different colors and with proper notation. So for that, what you have to do, there are some codes. So go to properties, I'll share that. Go to expression. So here, like, just for formality, we have just given the ID field, the space. So here some expression needs to be written. The expression I will share it with you. Just you have to replace your field. Just you have to replace your field with this expression and verify, then you will get the, this is the expression. Color rate 255, ID string ID, then then string latitude, then color is blue, then string longitude, color. So if you see, if you verify, this is how it looks now. So I'll be sharing this expression with you in the description box. Just you have to replace it with your latitude and longitude, or with a respective field. Then click OK, then apply, then OK. Now you see ID P3, the lat is 15.0, the longitude is 17. ID. So here you can change the color, no problem. Here you can change, we can change the color, blue. Okay, you can change all the three colors of P3. Another important thing that I want to tell here, that so whenever you are using this code, just make sure that your parser is in Python. Generally what happens, it is in VB script, but make sure it is in Python. So if it is not in Python, then this code won't run. If it is not in Python, then this code won't run. Then you place this code, then you change your fields according to the name of the fields that you have been there, then OK, apply. Now you see all the three are in different color. ID P2 is in blue. So now when you go here and you do a layout, then here so many points are there, but accordingly your map will be having a very good look. Okay, all the points will be having their own identification. Okay, so thank you so much. So this is how we have added multiple colors to our labels. So if you have any queries, please write in the comment box, and please keep doing these kind of work at your end, so that a daily practice will be there and you will be very much familiar with ArcGIS. Okay, so every day I'll be sharing one or two videos related to ArcGIS for all beginners till expert level. In the expert, we'll be running how to do some susceptibility map, flood maps, then groundwater maps. Okay, so these things, once you are familiar with all these things, it will be easier for you to learn the expert part in